So friends, we are on the interface of OpenShot video editor. This is one of the best video editor software. It includes in top 5 of video editing software. This is very simple interface. You can see here, this is the basic view of OpenShot video editor. Here are some options. You can see in the file, it's a new project, open project. See, you can create a new project, you can open a project which you already made, recent project which is going on. Okay, so you can save a project, you can import files from the PC. You can take any image, you can video or audio from here, and you can choose a profile. In this profile, see this option having the profile. Profile means what? This criteria, which type of file you want. Okay, so this is by default criteria, HD 720p 30 fps. Okay, so this is by default. You can see here also this file, this is choose profile option. Okay, so most of the for the YouTube purpose people are using this one, and this is quality one. We are also rendering our videos in 720 in other softwares. Okay, so this is now edit option. We're having a history, we're having a preferences, different preferences options are there. So you can go here, so language, you can by default you can see the volume, Blender, advanced title editor. See, all these are the, you can in the preview or in the playback audio device, you can say the different speakers which you want, for example, for playback purpose. So you can use some devices from here. See this speakers, headphones and all. So all those things you can see. In preferences, you can find out here a keyboard, and all the shortcut keys have given here. For example, instead of using a mouse and all directly copying, pasting, directly can use shortcut keys for OpenShot, add marker, add track, or for timeline also. See, all these shortcut keys are there, you can see here. Okay, so you know that for copy, for Control C, for choose profile, Control P, delete item, just delete item, alternate 1 or backspace, like this. All these are the shortcut keys have given. So these are the shortcut keys given to use this software. To the view option, view is means what? If anything disturbs on the screen, for example, some options goes here and there, and sometimes this option or these options is like this, or some disturbance creates. So directly, if you are not able to do anything, or it cuts down, something happens to this screen or disturbs, so directly go to view option, go view, or say just simple view, just like this. So you will come again to the simple view, then there will be no disturbance, or you will not disturb. So now go to the help option. So here is a tutorial training programs you can see of this video editor. Now you can see here also the same options have given. For example, here is new project option, here is open project, same in the file. Okay, so you can do redo, undo, then import files, you can import files from here. So this is the, you know, now choose profile. Profile means the size, aspect ratio of video and all. And here is the export video. Export in the sense whatever we made on the timeline, you can export it to the desktop or anywhere you want to save. Okay, so this is the full screen. Okay, you can do a full screen like this. I'll reduce it. Okay, so now we'll go ahead with this software. See here, you can do up and down. You see here is a cursor, here is an option. You can up and down these options. You can see the track here. Here are tracks 1 2 3 4 5 tracks are there. Okay, so you can add and remove track. Here is one option, so you can go here, right click, and you can remove track. Okay, see, right click, you can remove track. So what if you want only one or two tracks, so you can just take here like this, or you can remove track. Okay, so I removed tracks from here, just I right click here and I remove track. Okay, so you can give a rename name to the track also. So if you want to add one, so go to this plus line and you have added a tracks. Earlier we learned how to add tracks and remove tracks, but once again you learn for this. So I have added these tracks, 1 and 2 tracks. So next we'll go to the next option, that is snapping. Okay, so I will see whenever I will export I will import, when I will import any video from outside, then I'll tell you how the snapping tool used. Then this is the razor tool to split the video, and this is the marker tool, so how to add marker to video. Then this is a previous marker, number of markers when we use, then you can go to previous markers or earlier marker. So then all these things. This is the zoom option, for example this is the 15-second zoom option, so you can zoom it, you can reduce the zoom, you can increase the zoom like this. Okay, so you can see here it comes in the form of times. Okay, so per 20 seconds, per 30 seconds, like this. So you can reduce or increase this zoom also, and you can see a changes in this timeline. Okay, so I will stop here and I will import any video from my PC and then we'll work on it. So we'll take any file from my computer. So I will go here, you can add from here also. Okay, go to file, or I can import files from here. Okay, or you can directly add from here, plus sign. Okay, so I'm going my desktop, then I have some library project here. Or I can open first. Okay, so it comes in clip bin. So I'll take another video, I'll open this. Okay, like this. Then I can add music also here. See here I have taken a music also. Now I can take two images also. So I have taken images also. Okay, so 2 images I have taken. Now I will drag the file here. I'll take this video, I'll remove this one, I will work on this only. So see friends, I can little bit zoom it. Okay, so we can see the changes in this video. Then we'll play it. You can see here whatever is going on in this video, you can preview here on the preview section. Okay, so now I have to edit this video, so I'll stop this. Okay, I have to edit from here to here. Okay, I don't want this from this here to here, I don't want this two section. Okay, so what I will do, I'll cut it here. Okay, I want to cut from here and till here. Okay, so I want the cut here, so I will remove this edit option. I'll go here, I'll select it and I will delete this option. So the section you can delete here. You can use this razor option to delete anything. So now I have cut the unwanted part. If I want whatever I want to cut it down, I'll cut it down and I can edit any video from here. You can see here any video. Now I'll show you one very important thing, that is this snapping option. What is this snapping option? This is magnet type option. This is called as snapping option. What is this? Whenever you take this video and if I enable this, So once you go here, okay, so it directly attract to other video. How it works actually? So the reason behind is that, see, you can see here it directly I'm pulling it back, but it's going a little bit forward. See, I'm pulling it back a little bit, so you can see it like it works like a magnet, because there should not be any gap in between. Actually, the reason of that snapping option is there should not be any gap in between two videos. So easily you can now, like this, you can add any image here, you can add any other video here. So many things you can go on adding. And see, if you want to add music here, so you can add music also. So I'll take this music here in upper track like this. Okay, now I want this much only. So what I will do, I will use this razor option, I will cut from it. Okay, so I have cut it down, I cutted it down, I don't want razor now. So I cut it down, so I don't want this. I'll right click here and I will remove clip. Okay, so I removed the unwanted part of the song. Now I can play here. You can see there's some lagging is there, still some lagging is there, but it will not come in producing. When you export a video from here, it will not come lagging. This is only because of the system. So I'll pause this, and directly you can export video from here. Okay, you can export video. So you can give name to video. I can say OpenShot library. OpenShot library. I'll give path. I'll browse. I'll take desktop. I'll take desktop. So this is MP4 format. Here are showing all format, DVD and all, but I am selecting only MP4 format, 264 and 720 pixel. Okay, so now we'll go ahead with this. Okay, here is the option down, it's export video, and it will start exporting. You can see here it started exporting, and where it will export, it will come to desktop. I give path here, so it will come to desktop. So you can edit like this. So it will directly go to the desktop, the path which you have shown to software. So you can see the green light here. Our project, you can see to desktop whether it is there. So see here we have exported our video. It's properly edited video like this. I have given music also to this one. So friend, this is a nice OpenShot video editor. So the main thing in between in this, you can take care while cutting only. So the major part of this is that just you have to edit it properly. Whatever portion, if you want to edit it, just carefully edit it. See, you can increase the zoom here. You can increase zoom like this. Okay, I'll reduce little bit. And if see the portion which you don't want, for example, I don't want. So pause. Take a razor. See, you can see this razor option here, line option. Carefully go to the line. I don't want this. Go to this red line and edit. Say edit. Say edit. Okay, so it cut it down. Down also you can do the same thing. Okay, it also cut it down. Okay, so if you don't want this portion, then you select that portion. So first don't forget to close this razor option, otherwise it will come again. See, you can see here. So for example, if unfortunately you did something here and it cut down, so don't worry for that. Go here, this option is undo option, undo, and you can undo all those things. Okay, so you can use the shortcut key also, that is Control Z, and you can export. You see, go here and export. Now I already told you this procedure to export the project, and give path to it, and go down here. Here is the option called export video. Okay, I'll reduce the size of this so you can take it up. Okay, so export video, and you can export it like this. So we already learned this process, and we saw this project video also. So please remember how to edit this one, edit it carefully. This is very simple software. Thank you.